I'm Athena Aktipis. I'm an associate professor of psychology at Arizona State University, and I study cooperation and conflict across systems, including among microbes and between microbes and hosts. Microbes are these tiny little organisms that live in and on us. They can cause disease sometimes, but also many of them help us be healthy, either by keeping out pathogens, bad microbes, or by doing things like helping us digest our food. We rely on them to have our health functioning the way it should, and for our behavior also to be what is kind of normal for our species. So this paper that I wrote is really an exploration of these different ways that microbes can influence our stress. And I did a review of the literature and found three main pathways that microbes can use that then affect our stress. So the first one is we kind of have to set the stage. So if you get stressed, one of the things that your body does to protect, or not protect, but to make it so that you can defend yourself, right? Like say, you see a tiger, right? All of a sudden, your blood pressure goes up, the glucose levels in your blood go up, and that helps you have a quick response that lets you run away from the tiger. But it turns out that having that higher level of glucose in your blood also can be an opportunity for microbes, because microbes need food just like we do. And the glucose, that sugar in the bloodstream when you're stressed, is something that they can eat and they can use to proliferate. So when you feel stressed and that, the glucose in your blood goes up, that's an opportunity for microbes to proliferate. So that's one way that microbes can actually benefit from our stress. Another one is that when you're stressed, the permeability of your gut, so like the little junctions that are between cells that usually help keep the things in your gut, those junctions kind of open up. And that means that microbes can come out and go into other parts of your body and take resources from other parts of your body and proliferate in parts of your body where they're not supposed to be. Again, not so good for us. And then the final one is that when you're stressed, your body reallocates some of your bodily resources away from your immune system so that you can use those to respond to the stressor. And because our immune system is an important part of keeping pathogenic microbes under control, it is, again, an opportunity for them. All microbes are going to benefit from us being stressed, because different microbes have different strategies for how they sort of live with us. Some microbes, like E. coli, the pathogenic species of E. coli, they really benefit from taking advantage of us. But there are other microbes like lactobacillus that live more in harmony with us, you could say, and benefit from our bodies being in a better state, by cultivating microbes that are what I call resilience microbes, like lactobacillus. You might actually be able to increase your resilience to stress, because those microbes are then kind of occupying that space of your body and not allowing those microbes that could sort of benefit from your stress to take over. When you think about sort of the evolutionary pressures on these microbes, the microbes that can benefit from us being stressed, they are going to be under evolutionary pressure to get us to be stressed. So whether they evolved to do it or not is still an open question. But to me, at least, the evolutionary writing is on the wall that they're under selection to do that. So I think it's quite likely that there are microbes that stress us because it provides an evolutionary benefit for them.